Hey, Mark the Meerkat here with the trade of the day, and it was on YY. Today's lesson is on let your winners run and cut your losers short. So here we are at YY. Opening, it had earnings, and so it was up of over 1 or 2% here, just before the pre-market area, and then on the market open, bam, it fell down. And that was going back and forth around this $134 area. So I set a trade down here that if it started to drop some more, I was going to get short. And sure enough, what happened here? And bam, look at that sucker fall. And I'm in at 131.97 was my fill on my short on YY. So let's bring a stop down here to up to 134.50, just about 1% there. And let's see where it goes from there. Actually 134.30. And there we go. Fall. Down here to this S2 pivot line here, fell right to 129 even dollar amount, bringing my stop down here to break even. Well, now I have zero risk in the trade. Love it when that happens, and I'll look and see if it keeps going. Oh, it's just kind of for a while there. Look at that, going back and forth, down. And now look at this. It shot way down here below 125. So I'm bringing my stop down. I decided to bring it along this 8 EMA here, and it was actually down, ticked a little bit more there. Bringing my stop down as it dropped here to 124.60. Whoo, doggy, and boom, pops right back up and stopped me out at 126.16 was the fill on my stop. Well, that's okay. So let's take a look at the trade here. We had this symmetrical triangle. It was acting around this 134 support line area, and bam, I got short and just followed it down. And then when it got way overextended down here, when it dropped over 1.5% there, I put my stop in place, popped right back up, and got me for 4.4% in just 18 minutes. Hooah! And what's the interesting part is that this just kept on going down. We did get into it again, and that just kept on falling all morning long. So that was just one of 11 trades that we had this morning in the day trading chat room here at Grok. And if you'd like to join us, you can. 7 days risk-free. That's right. There's a couple of ways to get there. Go to groktrade.com and go to day trading chat. And here we are. You can read all about us here, but you can register for a free webinar here, and it will talk to you about some of the secrets there is to day trading and give you an extra special offer if you'd like to join us on an annual basis. And you can register for that right now, or you can just go ahead and read about it here and down here, join now. You can join on a monthly basis, but the first 7 days on either way you go, it is absolutely risk-free. And you want to, if after 7 days it's not making a difference for you, that's okay. No questions asked, refund. All right, so let's say you can read about it here. Oh man, look at this. A lot of cool stuff. Now, if you want to know how we did today in the day trading chat room, let's see here. Here it was today, and we did trade number 2 here on YY. That was at 4.4. But take a look here. I had a lot of expense trades today as well here. Look at this. But look at my income trade. I had a 4.4, a 1.9 income trade, a 2% trade. Let my winners run. But take a look here. I had a minus 0.2, a minus 0.3, minus 0.2, minus 0.1, minus 0.4, and a minus 0.7. Cut my losers short. That's the lesson here. And what was the net for the day? We were only 5 out of 11 trades for 45% success rate. And we have a target of 60 in a room, which we hit on a typical day. 0 errors today. That's the good news. But look at this. We were at 7.5%. Now we have a target of 5% today return on risk each day, and a 10% stretch goal. Well, we were right there in the middle. So if you used our model portfolio, $10,000 per trade, that's about $750 and 2 hours worth of work. Woo, really good work if you can get it. And you can join us for those 2 hours every morning if you're available to be in front of the market. We're looking for additional people to join our room. So that's it for today. Just remember to let your winners run and cut your losers short. Trade well.